Today I'm going to show you something a little bit quirky, off kilter, and a whole lot of cattywampus. Are you up for it? Because I'm on my way to the UCSD campus to show you a piece of art, a permanent art on the campus that's part of the Stewart Art Collection. It's a route you can do on the campus to see each piece of art, but I picked out the one that spoke the most to me. There's an artist that came from Korea to go to school there, and he kind of got homesick, and he thought he would do a piece of art that would speak to the students and make them feel like it's kind of a home away from home. He replicated his home from Korea and put it on top of the 7th floor of the engineering building. Yeah, it's up there, and it's hanging off the edge. It's 15 by 18 feet. The floor is at a 5-degree angle, and the whole house is at a 10-degree angle, so it's going to be interesting because I have high anxiety. It conforms to the earthquake codes and can withstand 100-mile-per-hour winds, so good thing they didn't use that house in The Wizard of Oz. It's called The Fallen Star, and he completed it in 2012. So stick around, and I'll give you a tour. I'm on the campus. I'm going to hoof it across the campus. Just thought I'd give you a quick, partial look at how beautiful this campus is. Look at this. This is the library up here. Very interesting looking building. And all these sides of the building are like covered with mirrors. It's kind of cool. So check in with you in a few minutes. Okay, now I'm at the top of the steps. And this is another piece of art in this Stewart collection. This one's called The Snake, for obvious reasons. This is the head, and it goes all the way down the front here, so let's check it out. How's the stabilization? Okay, so it winds around here like a snake. Just winding around and down this hill here. That's where we're going. And I'm a little nervous because they say it makes you disoriented and a little, some vertigo if you're not used to, if you don't like heights. And I don't. But you know what? I'm a badass biker chick, so it shouldn't be a problem. I hope. We're going up, we're going up. Wish me luck, because I don't know what it's going to be like to stand inside that house as it's tilted over the edge of the 7th floor. Ah! We have a nice little garden here. Okay, you can see that the floor is tilted. Whoa! Here we are in the Fallen Star, and it's quite small, but as soon as I walked in the door, I just about fell over because you're just not used to the floor being so tilted. And what was it you were saying about the floor?
The floor is tilted with respect to the foundation of Fallen Star, but then the foundation is tilted about a different axis with respect to ground.
Right.
And if you watch that video in the lobby of Jacobs Hall, you'll really appreciate that more. Okay. Because you'll see the construction of the cottage. Okay. And it's so blatant there, these angles of
okay.
That
cool.
You just don't encounter in everyday life, which is why it feels so odd being in here.
Yeah, you get used to it after a few minutes, but when you first come in, it's crazy. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. Appreciate it. So I just got done standing in there, and it was so weird because as soon as I crossed the threshold into the room, I started to fall over because it's just so weird how it feels to just not be, flat, not walk on a flat surface. Look at the reflection there. That's pretty cool. That's pretty interesting. I don't know if I would call it art, but art is in the eye of the beholder, just like
beauty is in the eye of the beholder. And it was cool, it was interesting, quirky. Just wanted to show that to you. And I took off work because they're only open on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And oh, it's just such a nice day. It's nice to not be at work, I gotta say. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for sticking around. Talk to you later. Bye.